The RZ016W motion sensor emitter is very easy to use. Slightly press the bottom to uncover the battery holder. Users can easily change batteries after it's fixed to walls. Install 2 AAA batteries. You can simply place the emitter wherever needed for motion detection without fixing. You can also anchor and fix the emitter with the screws provided in the kit. Or, attach the emitter to cabinets or walls with the adhesive tape. The tape is customized for both installation. You can stick and screw in the emitter without effort. After the emitter is fixed, changing batteries is also smooth and easy.